Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Cloudflare VPN on your PC. So make sure to watch till the end. First, open your browser and search for Cloudflare VPN download on Google. Then open the official website, click on the download latest stable release button to start downloading the setup. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and install it on your PC. After the installation is finished, the app will open automatically. In here, click on Agree to Terms and Continue. Now click on the Connect button and your VPN will connect instantly. After that, you can close the window and don't worry, the VPN will keep running in the system tray in the background. So as you can see, the VPN is working perfectly. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.